So, what's the going? Can I talk today? Let me take it back up from the top. Hello guys, how you doing? Today's video is another subscription box video. Yikes, guys. Yikes. If you remember, recently I did an American influencer box video, and it wasn't that great because I didn't really like anything in there, but you guys benefited from it because y'all got a giveaway. So today's video is another one of them boxes. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. That's how I feel. So I know that I said in my previous American influencer unboxing video that this was their last shot at redemption. Well, I'm just canceling this box because it serves my life no purpose. The first one was the best box ever, and then no, just can't. Let me not be negative. Let's talk about it, guys. So this box was in collaboration with Bella Pierre Cosmetics. And this box is around, I want to say $34 a month, which isn't bad, but not for what I'm getting. I have too much stuff. Maybe that's the problem. So eyeshadow palette. There was a powder, a setting powder, a little brush, a brow pencil in cocoa, and there's a matte lipstick in incognito, which looks like a matte shade. So let's talk about it. I'm gonna show you guys the stuff, but I'm not demoing it because I'm not keeping this. Because one of you lucky subscribers is gonna win this box in a giveaway. Okay, so according to this answer here, this was in collaboration with some brand ambassador. Her name is Rija Imran. So yeah, and then there's, Jesus Christ. I hate bending down with this ponytail. I have to separate it like Moses parted the Red Sea every time I bend down, so it doesn't get on my lipsticks, on my gloss. Anyway, let me stop being conceited. So there's a brief description of all the products on the back of the card. So this eyeshadow palette is the ultimate nude eyeshadow palette. 35 buttery smooth color eyeshadow palette with a range of matte, satin, shimmer, and foil eyeshadows. Retail for $50. Okay. I mean, it's not bad, but it's not something that I personally would use because I have so many of these shades and other eyeshadow palettes. I think this box should be targeted more towards people that don't own a whole bedroom full of makeup like I do. So that's the eyeshadow palette. We have this brow pencil, the Twist of Brow Pencil in Cocoa. Ultra slim, retractable brow pencil, allows for maximum precision. When filling in sparse brows, oil-free formula delivers smudge-free pigmentation that looks natural. So obviously I wouldn't keep this. This is not in my shade. This is like a cool tone brown shade. So yeah, I guess it's a skinny pencil. I don't really want to touch this stuff because I'm gonna give this away. So then next is the lipstick in incognito. If I don't destroy this box, maybe I'll open this. Mineral lipstick incognito, richly pigmented lipsticks formulating with nourishing ingredients such as sunflower seed oil and jojoba. Lasts 4 hours! Exclamation point. Retails for $20. The eyeshadow palette supposedly retails for $50, so I guess that would be worth the box right there. It's a very matte nude shade, which would go with anything. This packaging is really cheap. Kind of reminds me of like Wet n Wild packaging, but I mean it might be good, so y'all let me know if you win this box. And then what's next? We have the powder and the brush. And this powder looks way too dark for me. So the powder, this is the banana setting powder in medium. Well, no wonder. A color correcting powder that has a subtle yellow hue to counteract any redness or discoloration. Ideal for setting under eye makeup, spot correcting, or even used as a base eyeshadow. Tip, also great for baking your makeup. This retails for $35. So I hope whoever gets this enjoys it. And then you have this mini kabuki brush. Bestseller alert! This super soft, dense brush distributes product evenly and quickly, making it stable for any mineral makeup routine. It can also be used with powder or to blend face makeup for a more natural look. This cruelty-free brush. This retails for $20. I don't want to take it out the packaging. It looks like a typical kabuki brush, which is always nice to blend out any harsh lines. So that's everything in the box. I don't really want to read this because I don't really care about her. But whoever gets this, there's a promo code. Use Bella123, which is kind of funny. Hello. Am I promoting myself? For 40% off April 1st to 15th. So if you get the box, I'll make sure you get this in time. You can use this coupon code if you like this stuff. So yeah, I will be giving this away, and if you want to enter the giveaway, just look at the instructions down below. Most likely like this video, comment on this video, follow me on Instagram, like the post related to this giveaway, tag 3 friends, comment on the post. If you want a bonus entry, share it to your IG stories. But wait, there's more. We hit 200 subscribers. I'm so excited. You know what? I just really appreciate you guys, and small victories mean a lot to me. I might not have 2 million subscribers, but that don't matter because I have 200 loyal of you that watch me and comments and request things. And I love it. I love it. I love it. I love all of you. Oh, so much. Anyway, I want to add to this giveaway because I want to. So, if you are interested in entering the giveaway for that box or these 2 things, right here, I have this Glow Recipe skincare set. It has the watermelon sleeping mask and the face mist. And these are like, you know, if you watched me on the regs, you know I'm obsessed with these products. And then I also have this Smashbox The Legendary Lipstick Trio. And there's 3 bullet lipsticks in here. Are you matte? Are you matte? There's a sheer brick red, a warm red, deep cherry red in here. So yeah, if you're interested in the giveaway, what you waiting for? Go ahead and take your chances. Well, that's it for this video, guys. I'm going to bed. I work tonight. I lost a nail. And Coco's waiting for me on her couch. So I'll see you guys when I see you. And honestly, I've been thinking about doing more frequent giveaways with like 2 to 3 people max instead of that crazy one where I did like 18 people and it took me forever to send the shit out. So there'll be another one coming soon. I love you guys. Stay safe out there. Wear your mask. Get vaccinated. Eat your veggies. Wash your ass and your booty and your armpits. Well, wait, that's the same thing. You know what I mean. Be a decent human. Stop being a heathen. I love you. Bye.